Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Play with Math. The main motive of this channel is to teach aptitude and reasoning from basic levels. Here we are going to discuss every topic through concept oriented as well as in shortcuts, which helps in competitive exams. Let's get into our video, time and distance. It is one of the most important topic in competitive exams. Speed, distance and time. Formula for this is distance equal to speed into time. Trick to remember this is Dhoni equal to Sachin Tendulkar. D equal to S into T. Okay. Units of speed is kilometer per hour, meter per second. Most important thing is to conversion of units from kilometer per hour to meter per second or meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay. Okay. Let's see. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 into 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters by 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, meters. 1000 meters by 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, here 0 0 0 0 2 5s are 2 3s are 5 by 3 into 6 18 meter per seconds. When we are converting from kilometers per hour to meter per second, meters is the smaller unit, so 5 is the smaller number. 5 will come in numerator and 18 will come in denominator. In the same way, 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Kilometer is the more than meter, so 18 is the highest number. 18 will come in numerator. Okay, we'll solve some questions now. Here the question is, a person crosses a 600 meters long street in 60 seconds. What is the speed of a person in meter per second and in kilometer per hour? He is asking in both meter per second and in kilometer per hour. Okay, the given data, a person crosses 600 meters long street, so he given distance is equal to 600 meters. For example, from here to here it is 600 meters. Okay, in 60 seconds, and time is equal to 60 seconds. You know the formula, speed equal to distance by time. Here distance is 600 meters, time 60 seconds is equal to 10 meter per second. Okay, so we have solved the first question. Now we look into the conversion into kilometer per hour. We know the conversion. 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now 10 meter per second is equal to 10 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 36 kilometer per hour. The answer is 10 meter per second square, 10 meters per second, sorry, per second, and 36 kilometer per hour, right? Okay, we look into the one more example. Question is, Kalyan rides a bike at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. He reaches the destination in 3.5 hours. What is the distance traveled by him? Here he given speed and time, and he is asking distance. Okay, given speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour, and time is equal to 3.5 hours, which means 7 by 2 hours. He is asking distance equal to speed into time. Speed 50 kilometer per hour into time 7 by 2 hours is equal to 2 to 20, 25 into 7 is equal to 175 kilometers. The next question is, if Dhoni covers 10 meters in 1 second, how many kilometers can he cover in 4 hours 20 minutes? Okay, here he given speed of Dhoni is equal to 10 meter per second, and time is equal to 4 hours 20 minutes. Here he given speed in meter per second and time in hours. We'll convert everything into same units. We'll convert everything into kilometer per hour. Speed equal to 10 meters per second. So 10 into, we are converting meter per second into kilometer per hour. So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. We will convert time is also into hours. 4 hours 20 minutes equal to 20 by 60. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 20 by 60 is equal to 4 into 1 by 3 hour, which is equal to 13 by 3 hours. Okay, now we are going to calculate how many kilometers can he cover. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed 36 kilometer per hour into time 13 by 3 hours. So 12 into 13, which is equal to 156 kilometers. Okay, let's solve one more question. A person travels from one place to another at 30 km per hour and returns at 120 km per hour. If the total time taken is 5 hours, and find that distance. Okay, before solving this question, speed is equal to distance by time. By looking this, speed is directly proportional to distance, which means if speed increases, distance also increases. If speed decreases, distance also decreases. In the same way, speed is inversely proportional to time, where speed increases, time decreases, and vice versa. So Let's come into the problem now. A person travels from one place to another at 30 km per hour. Okay. He is traveling from A to B, for example, 30 km per hour and returns at 120 km per hour and is returning at 120 km per hour. Here, let us assume this is S1 and S2. The ratio of speeds S1 is to S2 is equal to 30 is to 120, which is equal to 1 is to 4. Now, we know that speed and time are inversely proportional. So, ratios of times T1 is to T2 equal to 1 by S1 is to 1 by S2. So, 1 by 1 is to 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 is to 1. Here we have given total time is 5 hours. Total time is equal to, okay, total time is 5 hours and the ratio of the times is 4 is to 1. So, time 1 equal to 4 parts by total parts is 5 hours into 5 hours, which is equal to 4 hours. Similarly, T2 is equal to 1 and total parts 5 into total time is equal to 5 hours. So, 1 hour. So, time taken to go is T1, which is 4 hours, and time taken to return is T2, which is 1 hour. Now, we need to calculate the distance. Distance equal to ST. Here where we have two speeds and 2 times. So, S1 T1 plus S2 T2. S1 is equal to 30 km per hour into T1 equal to 4 hours plus S2 is equal to 120 km per hour into T2 equal to 1 hour, which is 240 kilometers. Okay. Solve some more questions and comment for any doubts. PDF of this lesson will be attached in the description. Thanks for watching.